Over the past few years, Tesla has shown the world that electric vehicles are the future. The company has effectively forced all the other automakers to transition to EVs or die off. However, Tesla's mission goes beyond electric vehicles, and it just happens that Tesla's sleeping giant is suddenly waking up behind people's eyes. In this video, I will cover what Tesla's giant is and how the development of this product line has been exploding. Welcome to Casgains Academy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and let's get right into it. Elon Musk has been making some bold claims lately about Tesla's future projections, and by that, I'm talking about Tesla's energy division. We've seen many Tesla investors talk about how Tesla isn't a car company and that Tesla energy is going to dominate, but it wasn't until recently where we saw these claims come into fruition. This will happen from the fast-paced growth of the solar sector, which is estimated to grow 20.5% every year over the next 6 years. Now to start with, in Tesla's latest earnings call, Elon Musk claimed that Tesla will become the market leader in solar installations.
We're actually seeing tremendous growth in solar quarter over quarter last year, and we had our best quarter since I think 2018 in Q4. So we do actually expect to become the market share leader in solar, and then go far beyond that. Unfortunately, there were a few years there where we had to devote the whole company to Model 3 production, and building. We have to basically take the whole company, including a bunch of people that were on solar, and have them work on cars. But now we've got a little more bandwidth. We're putting a lot of attention on solar, and it is growing rapidly. So I think it will not be long before Tesla is by far the market leader in solar.
That's right. Elon Musk said that Tesla will become the market leader in solar and also go beyond that. Elon Musk makes a lot of ambitious projections, but this one in particular stands out because of the convincing data that backs this up. As some of you already know, from 2017 to 2019, Tesla struggled to ramp up the Model 3. According to Elon Musk himself, Tesla was only a few weeks away from bankruptcy during the Model 3 ramp up, and in order to keep the company alive, Elon had to work 22 hours per day.
How close to death did you come?
Within single-digit weeks.
22 hours a day, or like what? How many
I
hours?
was working, so 7 days a week, sleeping in the factory. I worked in the paint shop, general assembly, body shop.
It was also during this time that Elon Musk had to shift Solar City workers to Tesla, and this was in order for Tesla to meet its production goals. Because of this shift in focus, Tesla's solar division struggled to grow in the past couple of years. As we can see in this graph, Tesla's Model 3 ramp-up actually caused Tesla's solar division to go from the largest solar installer to the third largest solar installer. Nevertheless, Tesla is now going head-on with its solar division, and as Elon mentioned, is aiming to take back its lead in solar. There have been many developments going on lately that make Elon Musk confident about Tesla's future and could bring shareholders massive returns in value. Another component that has been making huge strides lately is Tesla's energy storage division, which is primarily powered by the Tesla Megapack, which is a huge battery pack that utility companies use to store and resell energy. Most recently, on March 8th, it was announced that Tesla was behind a big secret battery project in Angleton, Texas, a city that is 40 miles away from Houston, Texas. In this city, Tesla was quietly deploying over 100 megawatt hours of energy storage. 100 megawatt hours is an absolutely huge number and is enough energy to power 20,000 homes in the summer. Each megawatt hour costs roughly $300,000, so that puts the total project at $30 million. This new Megapack deployment came into fruition after Texas got hit by a bitter winter storm that led to many rolling blackouts. The Megapack fixes this by storing energy for potential natural disasters. From the utility company's perspective, the Megapack also makes a significant amount of money, and this is through Tesla's proprietary energy trading program called the Autobator, which successfully trades energy for huge profits. And if you weren't already convinced that Tesla's energy storage department is about to explode, just wait until you see Tesla's recent developments that I'll cover. As we've seen in the past, Elon Musk actually does what he says he will do. In this case, Tesla's strategy to outcompete and expand the energy industry is to offer competitive pricing, lower the time it takes to install solar panels, and integrate Tesla's solar panel with the solar roof, which is Tesla's proprietary roof made out of solar panels, and the Tesla Powerwall, which is Tesla's energy storage system that can store energy for a day. Elon stated that he's confident this strategy will dominate the solar industry in 2021.
Yeah, and actually, an important part is achieving better integration between the Tesla Powerwall and the Tesla retrofit solar and Tesla roof, and we're confident we'll have excellent integration with the Powerwall and Tesla solar, whether it's retrofit or the solar glass roof before the end of the year. So it's really, I think we've got a good strategy. As Zach mentioned, we're focused on reducing the amount of time and the complexity of the install, and we're making great progress in that regard. And I think we'll have something that's really dialed in this year.
Not surprisingly, we've already seen some impressive results for Tesla's energy division. In Q4 of 2020, Tesla achieved a record number of vehicle deliveries and almost delivered 500,000 vehicles. Yet, while all eyes were on vehicles, Tesla delivered something much more impressive, which was energy sales. This growth occurred because of Tesla's new efficient solar panel that was released in mid-2020. Tesla's new solar panel was 10% more powerful than the previous version and 25% cheaper. In addition to this, Tesla implemented a price match guarantee in order to outcompete the competition. Clearly, these changes have helped Tesla grow its solar division significantly. What's more interesting is Tesla's latest development in its solar roof. Tesla's solar roof is already quite stunning, but recent news shows that Tesla is taking the next step forward for the solar roof. On February 22nd, Elon announced that the Tesla solar roof could be coming out to Canada and Europe as early as 2021. About a week after that, on March 2nd, Tesla was spotted making even more developments. A picture taken in Fremont showed that Tesla was testing new colors for the solar roof. This was interesting to see, as the Tesla solar roof was originally designed to come in 4 different styles. This includes smooth glass, Tuscan glass, slate glass, and textured glass. Ultimately, only the textured glass one came into fruition, but the recent testing site could mean that more styles are coming. The end goal for this will be to disrupt the roofing industry entirely and replace it with solar roofs. This all sounds great, but it doesn't even come close to the growth that recently occurred in Tesla's energy storage business. In the 4th quarter of 2020, Tesla's solar deployments increased almost 200% year over year and 100% quarter over quarter. This growth was spearheaded by the Tesla Megapack, which is evidently the future of energy storage. The Megapack is continuing to become more and more cost efficient as time goes on, and will eventually shift most utility companies into purchasing the Megapack to replace peaker power plants. During times of day where there's peak demand for energy, inefficient power plants called peaker power plants must be turned on in order to supply energy at peak times. The Megapack changes this by allowing utility companies to store energies during times of low demand and sell that energy during times of peak demand. This has created lots of profit for utility companies so far, and it will continue to do so in the future.
The big disruption that's coming is to power utilities. There are trillions of dollars of bonds, of capex, of value sitting inside the energy generation infrastructure of the world that is going to go upside down.
Let me know whether you think Tesla's energy division will dominate the solar industry. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.